Younited Credit offers some of the most competitive loan terms in the digital lending market. Their personal loans are designed to provide flexibility, transparency, and affordability, making them an attractive option for borrowers looking for straightforward financing solutions. With loan amounts ranging from a few $100s up to $50,000, Younited Credit accommodates both small, urgent expenses and larger financial needs. Interest rates are one of the standout features of Younited Credit loans. They provide rates that are often lower than traditional banks, depending on the borrower's credit profile. These rates are fixed, which means the monthly payment remains consistent throughout the loan term, helping borrowers plan their budgets without unexpected changes. Loan terms typically span from 6 months up to 72 months, giving borrowers the ability to choose a repayment schedule that aligns with their financial situation. The application process is entirely online, streamlined for convenience. Borrowers can submit their information, receive an immediate pre-approval decision, and complete the process without the need to visit a physical branch. Documentation requirements are minimal, generally limited to proof of identity, income, and residence. Once approved, funds are usually transferred quickly, often within 1 to 3 business days, allowing borrowers to access money when they need it most. Younited Credit also emphasizes transparency. All fees, including any origination fees or early repayment penalties, are clearly disclosed up front. There are no hidden costs, and borrowers can repay their loans early without incurring extra charges. This makes it easier to save on interest if funds become available to settle the debt ahead of schedule. Customer support is another area where Younited Credit excels. Borrowers have access to a responsive team that can provide guidance on loan options, repayment strategies, and account management. Overall, the combination of competitive rates, flexible terms, fast funding, and transparent fees positions Younited Credit as a top choice for individuals seeking reliable personal loans. For anyone looking for a straightforward, trustworthy borrowing experience, Younited Credit provides terms that are hard to beat, balancing affordability, flexibility, and speed.